Hi everybody, happy Friday. I really hope that you've enjoyed learning about all the fun characters we read about this week and all the ways that they've learned how to appreciate and enjoy trees. Today we're going to do a little culminating task, which means like the end of our study of the stories we read this week. And we're going to think about what we learned with some drawing and writing. So I'm going to remind you of the story we read the last couple days, A Tree for Emmy. If you haven't listened to the videos before today, make sure that you go back and watch those. And I'm going to review the chart that we made together the last few days. Remember, we were thinking about the ways that Emmy and her family were the same and different. So looking at these things, I'll just remind you of what all the pictures represent. So we had Emmy swinging from the tree, Emmy shaking the maracas, her family not playing with the tree. We had Emmy and her family both going to look for a mimosa tree in the plant stores. We had Emmy finding a mimosa tree, her family not finding a mimosa tree. And we had Emmy and her dad both making a fence to protect the mimosa tree. So I want you to do a couple of things today. The first thing I want you to do is to pick one of those experiences that we read about where Emmy and her family did the same thing. So pick one of those things that they did that was the same. And pick one thing they did that was different. So you're picking two different experiences. One thing that was the same and one thing that was different. You're going to be doing some writing today, but before you do that, I want you to act out those things. So for example, if you decided to choose the same thing as them planting a tree fence, I would want you to act out, pretend that you're Emmy and her dad doing that. If you chose to write about Emmy finding the mimosa tree, you're going to act that out. Choose anything that you want from the story that we read about. Remember, one thing that her family and her do that's the same, one thing that they do that's different. After you act that out and have a little fun, you're going to get out a writing assignment. It looks like this on the first page. So it has your name and it has the word same, and then it has two boxes. And on the back, it looks like this. It says different and has two boxes. And the two boxes on both the front and the back represent Emmy and Emmy's family. So what you're going to do on this writing assignment today is you're going to use those experiences that you just acted out, and you're going to draw and write using pictures and words to write about what they did that was the same and what they did that was different. And you can use the letters at the top to remind you which one is same and which one is different. So for my same one, in this box, I'm going to draw what Emmy did, because I see the letter E for Emmy. And I'm going to draw what her family did over here, and these should be the same thing. So this is the time they did the same thing. On the back side of your paper, you're going to see D for different, different, and you're going to draw something that Emmy did here that's different from what her family did. Now you can use pictures and words for this. It's up to you to decide how you want to show it. Some things that might be helpful for you are your word wall words, so I'll make sure to link those on the website. I will also post our poster of the ways that Emmy and her family did things that were the same and different, so you can look back to this as well. And you can also go back and listen to any of the videos of the story to remind yourself of what happened. This should take about 10 minutes to draw both the things that are the same and the things that they do that are different. I really look forward to seeing what you guys think of. All right, that's it for A Tree for Emmy today. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Have a great day and a great weekend.